The power source connections most usually include welding leads, remote sensing connector plug, and the shielding gas line. Please note that, for obvious safety reasons, the connecting and switching of welding leads must be done only when the machine has been switched off at the isolation switch or disconnected from the mains. Welding lead connections must be clean in order to ensure proper electrical contact. Dirty or corroded connectors must be cleaned by sanding with emery tape. Lug-type connectors must be secured using a lug nut. Select and use a correct fitting spanner for this job. Do not over-tighten the nut, as this might result in the stud being twisted off. Pin-type connectors must be engaged into the socket and then turned fully to the right in order to secure them and make a proper electrical connection. Remember to connect the welding leads according to the polarity required, or, as in this unit, to the designated terminals. Remote sensing plugs from either the foot pedal controller or a torch control must be connected to the relevant socket on a machine. The connector socket may be located on the machine's front panel, or, as in this unit, beneath a flap where all the other connection points are housed. Make sure that the sensor plug is aligned properly to the socket. Engage it fully and then secure it. This plug is secured with a threaded collar. In this example, the sensor plug is secured using a latching device. The next connection we need make is the shielding gas line to the torch. In this example, the torch is connected via a union-type fitting to the outlet side of the gas valve. On other machine types, the torch gas line may be connected using a quick connector.